I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to adjust your security settings on your Boost mobile device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Select Security. Scroll down and tap on the Security option within the Settings menu. This is where you can manage various security features. Step 3. Choose Screen Lock. Before changing your settings, use the iShrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the two-factor authentication option and toggle it on. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Step 5. Review app permissions. Finally, go back to the security menu and check app permissions. Make sure that only trusted apps have access to sensitive information. Remember, if you accidentally deny permissions to a trusted app, you may need to reinstall it to regain access. I hope this helps you secure your device easily.